Hello, in this video we're going to be installing the Ubuntu GUI VMware tools. You can do it the same way as the CLI, but there is a little bit of an easier way. First things first, we need to ensure that we have our CD drive available to us. You can do that by right-clicking the guest and going into the virtual machine settings. Make sure that it says connected, or that the check mark is selected, and then hit OK. Once that's done, right-click the machine again, or the guest. Select Reinstall VMware Tools. As you can see, my VMware tools are already mounted. If they're not, you would see Reinstall VMware Tools or Install VMware Tools. We can now see that our VMware tools are mounted by this indicator that we can eject or unmount the media. Select the VMware tools. Double-click to get inside. It opens the Archive Manager. This is the folder we'll be using, so we'll need to extract that. Take that to the desktop. I've already created a folder called VMware Tools. We're going to select Extract. Excellent. We're going to show the files. There we are. So now we can open this in Terminal. This takes us directly to where we need to go. We're going to list the directory, and we're going to navigate to the directory that we need. We're going to be using the VMware install PL. To begin, we'll type sudo VMware install PL -F, lowercase f. That does matter. Put your password in because we've done sudo. And we're going to accept all the defaults by pressing enter through the prompts. Enter, enter, enter. And at the bottom you can see now that the yellow mark has changed to VMware tools are installing. And now you can see the yellow bars disappeared. It asks you at the end if you'd like to recover some of the wasted disk space. We're going to select yes. And there you have it. We have the VMware tools installed. I hope you found this informative.